Pro starting line, Dodge Ram, shotgun race. Parker 57 Chevy, number 1 in points, the Live Wire. The Black Widow tow tractor on the way, please. Union, Ohio, the long bow tie. is 360.768. 236. Doug McKee, the Black Widow, is your champion tonight. Something happened. Well, anytime they make an attempt to get out of it before the Ohio Cat 100-foot mark, they do get a second attempt. So yeah, it sounds like universal joints, drive shaft issues in that ballpark somewhere. He'll be back. Oh, added two. out of Fresno, east of Redden. Uh-oh, something happened. He made an attempt to get out of it before. The Ohio Cat 100 bookmark will pull him back if he's able to. And Zane Gaffin from Peoples, Ohio, congratulations, both of them making full pulls tonight. They're going to split the first. And a few words from first, Ethan Beard on full bore. Good run. Thanks, I appreciate it. Just like Zane, the Fairboard and us, James, for putting the pole on. You know, some of the crew members, Garrett, Toby, giving us a hand, and all of you for helping us get the pole. Also, asking you kind of local pole for them. So, Rob and Andra, they only do an awesome job with things. They got the truck running good. So, yeah, we appreciate it. All right, sounds good, buddy. High five. You've been in the top 5 every pull so far. Good luck the rest of the season. Thanks, Doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, Ethan Beard, full bore. Coming strong is up next. Congratulations, buddy, from Peoples, Ohio. Good run tonight. We hope to see more of you. Anybody you'd like to thank? I'd like to thank OSTPA, put the full on, activity, good motor, my mom and dad, and my girlfriend. All right, Zane, well, thanks for stopping on. I know you've been working hard on this truck. We hope to see you back. Zane Gaffin with Coming Strong. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a big hand. Zane Gaffin, Coming Strong. The Red Dog Unleashed. We're ready to go. the leader and the moment. Remember, 340 continues to be a full goal. Tractor over the winter out of Michigan, renamed it the Three-Headed Beast. For the Three-Headed Beast, the Rumbleton. Gallia, Ohio. Some people you like to thank.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Hall. Thanks to Gallia County for having our class down here again. And all you great fans, I say it every year down here, but we love coming and pulling in front of you because you guys pack this place and you cheer like not ours. So I just want to take a minute and thank you guys for coming out. Also, my crew for coming down with me. I got my good buddies and my brother, my wife Mallory, Tyler, Eric, Nathan. They make the 3-hour trip down here with us, and we make it into the best time we can. And I'd like to say after a win, we have a hell of a good time going home, Hall.
All right, buddy. Well, be careful. You got like a 3.5-hour ride home. We'll see you Sunday at Croton, and enjoy the win.
Thanks, Hog, and I got to thank Finnick Equipment, our class sponsor. I know there's got to be some farmers and some ag people out here in the crowd tonight. And if you need any parts for your farm equipment, look Finnick Equipment up. They're in Western Ohio, Northern Ohio, but they'll ship parts anywhere you need. They got some of the best customer service, and they'll meet any prices of all the big-name dealers out there, and all the great OSTPA sponsors and local sponsors. I just can't thank everybody enough.
And Bill, there's 4 pulls I know. I've got some text messages tonight that got rained out. We're the only ones pulling. Can you believe this crowd? Isn't it awesome?
Oh yeah, these guys are awesome right here. You guys deserve more of a high five and a round of applause than us pullers do. I tell you what, you guys are great every year.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Keener, the Bambi, your super stock winner tonight. Good job. He has one daughter, Leah, who usually drives the truck, unable to make the trip tonight. But Gene Dunn, if you remember, he was a former world champion arm wrestler back when he was 26 years old. something like the Twisted Kitty. Here he comes. On deck and Scott Rolls Royce into the hole.